So yeah, we worked together on this project, and we thought about some easygoing stuff, and maybe a bit stuck on amazing interface. So yeah, we decided to use some recipes, and so we can add in the input form your what you want to add, like can you add a recipe name and some ingredients, please?
Okay,
And
so what would be your favorite recipe name?
Bolognese.
Bolognese.
Yeah.
Bolognese. Like that, bolognese? Yeah, and what ingredients does it take?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti,
Tomatoes.
tomatoes, and what
Minced
else?
beef. Minced beef.
Mince,
Minced beef.
Beef, just beef.
minced beef. Something like that.
Onions.
Onions, oh.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Much more
Wow.
garlic.
Well, I put carrots in mine as well, but
Carrots. Carrot.
and celery, but that's I know controversial.
Okay, celery is a little bit too special. Is it? Okay, then we can, yeah. So what we basically did is like the plan was that we get up that we create a the recipe AI assistant, like powered by GPT-4 Omni. Oh, but you cannot see it. This is like for the future. We wanted to integrate GPT-4 Omni. It's multimodal AI stuff.
So, because everybody is doing something with AI, and so we are doing something with AI too.
Exactly. Yeah, but then we started. Thought we start simple, and as she is really into recipe stuff, and so we first created like set up the database and changed the schema, whatever, and added like recipes to our SQL database, and also the routes. And then the next thing we did was like this input form. Then we got a little bit stuck on the styling, and this Ask GPT-4o button should be on the top right. The same like as in this Le Wagon Bewirb dich page here. Yeah, and yeah, as we were a little bit lost in styling, we had no time to integrate the GPT-4 Omni to help us write great recipes, but this is something we will do after the hackathon.
So, the main thought about was that you enter a name and maybe a bit of ingredients, and then the other ingredients will be automatically added from the AI, so as a suggestion or something. That you just say, okay, I want to add a bolognese with spaghetti, just enter the rest. So that was a thought about it.
Yeah, or you would just upload an image, and then it would also create your recipe for it and make some suggestions. And that you can also create images with it, like so to illustrate your recipes. But as said, this is like music for the future, for the near future.